Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Jamie Carragher will be one of the football pundits for Sky Sports. So Baba come and psychology talk say Arsenal are the best team in the league defensively. You get so Baba can explain why he talk like that. Can talk say you see this title race over like this now between Arsenal, Liverpool and Man City. Arsenal don't have the best strikers, you get, but what they go take consolidate for their lack of prolific and clinical strikers. Now the fact say Arsenal and get the best defensive team in the league. When you check the expected goal return, like expected goal conceded for Arsenal in the whole league, Arsenal and get the lowest. You get. Now when you check when Man City come Emirates Stadium come play against Arsenal, Man City had a very little chance of scoring goal. In short, for that match, Arsenal had a 0.48 expected goal conceded. For you to say their defense now number one for the league. Forget if they check the table, you say maybe Arsenal fit number 2 or number 3, but forget originally, say according to the kind of players, so Arsenal get number 1. When you check against Liverpool, Arsenal's expected goal conceded was 0.36, very low compared to Liverpool on way very high. In fact, for the match, now Arsenal scored the 2 goals, Liverpool don't score anything. For Liverpool to get just one shot on target, it is for a reason, because Arsenal's defense is very stingy. Now, Carragher asks, since Arsenal have the best defense in the league, that one go come help them come win the league title, because since they're easy to score them, you go they fit use because of their defense to win the league. Say that defense we see, it helps Arsenal and gives them a fighting chance in this title race. So I see all the thing when you talk, and truth be told, I subscribe to his line of thought. Remember, while the time I talk, so we don't really have a problem defensively. Like defense will be our main, like so one fixed problem now. It's not really the major. Fine, we are short in some areas. Maybe say if people don't get injury, we go need to get more cover. But say all things being equal, everybody don't come back. We don't really have problem defensively. So where we go, they say we won't fix some issues. Now be the attacking problem you get. And on paper, people go to talk say Liverpool are the best defense in the league. They have Konate, they have Pidgin. Look at what Martinelli do Konate against Liverpool. Carry Baba around, I don't know what he will do before he cross that ball with Saka miss. So that's just what it is. Alright, I don't know how many of you now watch yesterday match. You know, say Man City actually beat Brentford, because we hope say Brentford will help us do some magic. For the first half, Brentford don't first bust net. I want they have to say, this match was sweet though, before Before the second half, Brentford just give Man City a gift. Yes, they cross ball, nobody they mark defender not ball, go give you the folding. Before they just bust net, the thing enter, come be 1-1. Before you know, 2-1. Once they enter 2-1, I just off TV, I don't watch again, because Man City don't win now. The Man City don't score 3-1. When I check the full time, I just say 3-1. It's okay. I didn't get the luck, so it don't happen. We say it don't happen. So Man City now and Arsenal only 2 points behind Liverpool, and Man City still get one outstanding match. Remember, I said they're supposed to play Brentford for the Etihad Stadium. Then come go play Club World Cup. So that match still there on the horizon. We never know when they go play out. So not just to watch. Now, away from that, so BBC pundits where they call Matt Jarvis. So Baba said come and psychologist say Bukayo Saka is getting back to his best form. Say after them go that 2-week break where they go for Dubai, say ever since they came back, say Bukayo Saka don't play fantastically well for Arsenal. Say that 2-week break when go, he actually did wonders for Bukayo Saka. Like he give him time to rest, to reflect, get. Now we say don't come back in the play where, and I don't think anybody will be arguing with that assessment, because truly, ever since that break, Arsenal has turned to a different team. Even they wonder, did the same Arsenal team that way they win everybody? The last 3 games I don't play, don't win. Don't be then they struggle against West Ham. Don't be then the other match again. So it is what it is, guys. So we said, don't be even only this Bukayo Saka. Do you know say since we Arteta arrest Martinelli after they come back from the Dubai break? wey put Trossard enter display score. Since that time wey dem bench Martinelli wey come from bench give gbagba, you get. Omo, since that time Baba dey para, Baba dey hot now, you get. So that is why when we lose from that time, I was somehow happy. Say okay, we don't lose the form, because normally in the season, you no fit just go the whole season being in form. You go get some lapses, but it go good make the lapses come early in the season, no be late. Like what happened to us last season when we say all our we don't tire, like we don't lose momentum. You get, make that kind of thing no go happen to us. So I just believe say all our bad patch we don't pass out. So now we say we don't dey for like we don't dey enter towards the final lap. We don't dey like something match day 23 or 24 there about now. So model see how things dey go. I subscribe to his line of talk 100%. Alright, so Football London, come aside, they let us know say Thomas Partey is expected to return February 11. By the time we Arsenal will play against West Ham, say now in potential return dates with that. Now, whether if let's just assume say not true, if Thomas Partey they come back February 11 against West Ham, I no get issue. Yes, if he come back, make them not too rush him. I don't want your story say them bring him in, he can aggravate one thing because that match in London derby and it's going to be very, very physical because West Ham have a lot of physical play. In fact, we call even yesterday and Mikel Antonio say that match against Arsenal, now they put as the match when go take come back because them say don't miss the guy plenty. They don't really get like a major striker. So now Kudus, that they will face Kudus again. Kudus, Bowen, and I think Paqueta. Now they will use. So we'll just see how it will work for them. But I like Giorgio still there. So Giorgio Declan Rice can still continue from where they stop. Or let's maybe Arteta won't change a different formation. If you want to change them, then no wala. All I know is say no matter how we play, whether we play fine or whether we play ugly, 3 points. I just want to say at the end of the day, Arsenal 9 win. If not like me, they play 5-3, 5-4. Make me say Arsenal 9 win. Add more 3 points to our table. Now moving on. So Fabrizio Romano will be one of our transfer gurus. So Baba said come outside and let us know say Tomiyasu deal with Arsenal. That's the new contract extension. It has been done, it's signed, it's sealed, it's agreed. So what it remain are just formalities. May Arsenal announce them officially. Fabrizio Romano already first announced his own. See everything don't complete, like the guy don't sign. So nothing remain again. I just speak Arsenal. Just Arsenal they usually announce things after the fact. So just wait for them announce them. So I wish him all the best of luck in his Arsenal career. In fact, Fabrizio Romano say for this January pass, many clubs actually came in and asked Arsenal for Tomiyasu, say they would like to sign. I understand that most of all these Italian Serie A clubs, AC Milan and co. But Arteta talk say they sell the guy because the guy don't really improve this season. We can't be say it can't be regular. Yes. So in fact, there's this people they talk say once this February 11 reach, say Tomiyasu is coming straight into the starting 11. Maybe then give the likes of White or Zinchenko rest. But this time says Zinchenko don't get injured because according to Football London, they don't even know when he's coming back. You can check their injury updates. They say unknown. So there's a possibility that Tomiyasu is going to be slotting in at left back by the time we play against West Ham, and it will make a lot of sense because it will give us much needed physicality at the back line. We need somebody to keep Kudus very, very quiet, and this is Zinchenko will bomb forward too much. So that match, a counter-attack match, it will be because West Ham now another low block, then be deep line low block. So we'll just see what it will up. Now moving forward, so the Mirror, they do a report on Man City beating Brentford. So the commentators say Man City don't make a massive statement as they beat Brentford. Say Arsenal and Liverpool, they will fear now. Say Man City don't come back. Man City don't do like 9 straight win now from waiting the report they talk. They are unbeaten in 9 games. So say Arsenal will fear. So that's what that report. I can't laugh say Man City beat Brentford now massive statement. We will beat Liverpool, not be statement Abi. So Man City beating Brentford is bigger than Arsenal beating Liverpool. Make it make sense to me. Everybody get their own agenda. I mean, I'm not really surprised. We'll just see how this league will end at the end of the day. Alright, so Gary Neville also come outside talk say Arsenal we are very, very sensible not to sign a striker under pressure in January because they were under pressure from fans, from the media, say they must sign player like maybe Ivan Toney or whatever. So you can just say Arsenal could not afford it, even though Steven Morrison for TalkSport say Arsenal could have afforded it if they wanted to buy. Well, the truth is all these people now are external parties. Them be the main people waiting for Arsenal. If them feel say Arsenal no fit afford them, and now they will go believe because now then they actually see the true finance of Arsenal. So we'll just take up say Arsenal no fit afford them. Like what Baba talk say if to say Arsenal even go bring in somebody. See sometimes in January you can go and sign a new player and you go disrupt the camaraderie within inside the club. Disrupt the team spirit, gets everything will just scatter. So you good at and maintain the same balance and stability for Arsenal. So everything will be poised for the summer. Once summer don't reach, I think there will be no excuse say we don't get money. Summer money will be. So we'll sign whoever wants sign. At least both first get our Champions League so that we have a bargaining chip to bring in top quality players like Declan Rice, because Declan Rice, you see Declan Rice, you see Timber, these are players, A-class players, so we say we go for them and they come for us. Why? Champions League football day. So that's it be. Alright, so Martinelli was Arsenal's most dangerous player versus Liverpool, and that statement is attributed to Michael Owen, who will be one of the football pundits out there and a Liverpool fan. Yeah, so Baba said for the pundit's duty, he got to talk say for that match where Arsenal played against Liverpool, say the only Saka and Martinelli handled the Liverpool back four. Say Martinelli for your side, say Alexander Arnold, Shege, Alexander Arnold and Ibrahim Konate, I handle them. Then Bukayo Saka handle Gomez and Virgil van Dijk. So they take divider. So Liverpool defenders don't even get chances. They won't come bomb forward because the only time where they won't bomb forward for the beginning, where Raya can't throw that ball for Martinelli carry Konate run. So that one can't give them fear, give them warning. They don't come outside anyhow. So you gotta say why. Because Arteta comes Martinelli towards the end with so much minutes, like 70 minutes, so much minutes to play. You can say he don't really understand that, but that is why Arteta take past all of us. The person who can replace Martinelli, she didn't score, having no score. So I don't think they should be questioning the decision. Like the manager know Martinelli capability, know say okay, this one don't tire or more could bring it, because Martinelli don't already cause a lot of damage to that Konate and they call him Trent Alexander-Arnold. So if you bring another person, fresh leg like Trossard to come in, Trossard don't they place you, but for the fact that Martinelli don't run down those people energy bar. So Trossard will just get free with. Look at the goal with Trossard. Look at the acres of space. Just the run. Luis Diaz, so we say we know say it's one of the fastest wingers alive. You know if you catch Trossard, because why? They don't deplete in energy bar. So it is what it is. At the end of the day, we won 3-1. So when I just free at the so my dear Arsenal lovers, if you want to watch today's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal update as the drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out.